BabyBus.
Click here to subscribe.
I really want a cola. Cola, cola! There's a free cola! Where is the cola? The machine must be broken. How can I get a cola?
Dad, I want to get something to drink. A vending machine with a lot of drinks. Wow! I'll have it, yummy, yummy yogurt. Yeah! Put the coin in, push the button now. Rattle, 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 yummy, yummy yogurt. Yeah!
Oh, I should push the button. That's easy. A vending machine with a lot of drinks. Wow. I'll have it, icy cold cola. Push the button now, push the button now. Rattle, 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 icy cold cola. Where is my cola?
Here's a vending machine.
A vending machine with a lot of drinks. Wow! I'll have it, sweet fruit juice. Yeah! Put the coin in, push the button now. Rattle, 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 sweet fruit juice. Yeah!
I should insert the coin too. A vending machine with a lot of drinks. Wow! I'll have it, icy cold cola. Put the coin in, push the button now. Rattle, 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 icy cold cola. Yeah!
Click on like if you like this video. I'm so excited! Which ice cream should I pick? Huh? The ice cream shop is closed today. Closed.
Well then, let's come again tomorrow.
Look! There's an ice cream vending machine.
Huh?
Ice cream! Ice cream! Mom, I want ice cream!
Okay. Insert coin and you can get ice cream.
Ice cream!
Robot vending machine selling yummy ice cream. Come and see, little kids, many flavors you can choose. Strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, which flavor would you like?
Let me think about it. I'll have vanilla ice cream.
Robot vending machine selling yummy ice cream. Many toppings to choose, rainbow colored candy. Many kinds of nuts and many kinds of fruit. Which topping would you like?
I'll have the rainbow colored candy.
Here's your ice cream. Enjoy!
Mom, a coin, please. Robot vending machine selling yummy ice cream.
Come and see, little kids, many flavors you can choose. Strawberry, chocolate, vanilla, which flavor would you like?
Let me think about it. All flavors.
Robot vending machine selling yummy ice cream. Many toppings to choose, rainbow-colored candy, many kinds of nuts, and many kinds of fruit. Which topping would you like?
I'll have everything!
Here's your ice cream with everything on it. Enjoy!
Whee! So big! Mom, the vending machine is awesome!
Right, and it was so fun to use.
Huh?
Aw. Look at you. The ice cream is all over your face.
Come and see, little kids. Which flavor would you like?
I made a lot of delicious food. Let's eat together. Why don't you eat? Is something wrong? Wait here. I'll call the doctor. Putting on a white coat, I become a doctor. With my first aid kit, taking my stethoscope. When you are not feeling well, just call out for me. Here you are. Putting on a white coat, I become a doctor. With a thermometer, let me check your temperature. Let me check your temperature. Oh, you have a fever. Putting on a white coat, I become a doctor. Here's your medicine. Please drink this. Please drink this. You are okay now. You can go now. Dad, you're hurt. Let me call the doctor.
Mimi, wait!
Putting on a white coat, I become a doctor. With my first aid kit, taking my stethoscope. When you are not feeling well, just call out for me.
Here I am!
Putting on a white coat,
I become a doctor.
with a cotton ball. Let me clean your wound. Let me clean your wound. Don't worry, Dad. Putting on a white coat, I become a doctor. With a bandage, let me wrap your finger. Let me wrap your finger. Okay, it's all done.
I'm fine now. Thank you, Mimi.
No, I'm not Mimi. Call me Doctor.
All right, little doctor.
If we're chosen, we'll get to ride down the slide.
Yeah, I want to ride the slide. Me too. Me too. Huh? Someone's coming. Stand up straight. Wake up.
Wow, they look so yummy.
It smells good. It smells good. The little yummy cupcake going down the slide for you. I'm a mango cupcake. It smells good. It smells good. The little yummy cupcake going down the slide for you. I'm a pudding cupcake. It smells good. It smells good. The little yummy cupcake going down the slide for you. I'm a strawberry cupcake. It smells good. It smells good. The little yummy cupcake going down the slide for you. I'm a rainbow cupcake.
I can't wait!
Don't cut in line.
my chocolate cupcake.
What happened? Ow! Everybody run away! Red? I became yellow. Green. Purple. Red, yellow, blue, green, and purple.
So Kiki tried to put colorful clothes on us.
Thank you, Kiki.
This is your house.
Bye.
It's so hot. I want to go swimming.
Swimming? Guys, let's join him. Five colored candies go swimming. One jumps into a cup of water. The water turns red and the candy says, "Where is my red colored clothes?" Four colored candies go swimming. One jumps into a cup of water. The water turns yellow and the candy says, "Where is my yellow colored clothes?" Three colored candies go swimming. One jumps into a cup of water. The water turns blue and the candy says,
Where is my blue colored clothes?
"Oh no! I'm going to ask the candy maker what happened to us." Two colored candies go swimming. One jumps into a cup of water. The water turns green and the candy says, "Where is my green colored clothes? Where is my green colored clothes?" One colored candy goes swimming. He jumps into a cup of water. The water turns purple and the candy says, "Where is my purple colored clothes?"
Oh my! Who are you?
We are five colored
Oh,
candies.
why did all of you become white? I'm a donut maker, Kiki! Look, these are the donuts I made. They look delicious, don't they? Oh, it's so late! I should go home now. Time to go home.
One, two, three, four. Oh, it started. Jump, jump, jump. La 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 la. La 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 la. La 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 la
I must have heard something. But there's nothing in here. Hello everyone, I'm Kiki.
I'm Mew Mew.
Today is Rudolph's birthday.
Let's go to his birthday party together. BabyBus, change into little bakers. Let's make a cake. Eggs, sugar, milk, flour. Mix and mix, mix and mix. A cake, 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 cake. Let's make. Pour in the mix, put it in the oven. Bake and bake, bake and bake. A cake, 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 cake. Let's make. Wow, it smells good.
Let's squeeze the whipped cream.
1, 2, 3, 4. Squeeze and squeeze, squeeze and squeeze. A cake, 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 cake. Let's make. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put some strawberries, put some strawberries. A cake, 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 cake. Let's make. Now our cake is ready. Happy birthday, Rudolph! Wow, the cake looks delicious. Thank you, guys.
Today, Kiki and Mew Mew made a delicious birthday cake. Let's give them medals.
Yeah! Hello everyone, I'm Kiki.
I'm Mew Mew.
Today we're gonna visit Mr. Mole's candy shop and help him.
Wow, it sounds great. Let's go together. BabyBus, change into candy shop owners. In my own candy shop, sweet and sour fruit candy, many colored rainbow candy, and lollipops are here.
Whoa! So many candies!
Welcome to my candy shop. How about some milk candy? How about some cotton candy? Or try this pumping sugar.
It's delicious and fun!
In my own candy shop, sweet and sour fruit candy, many colored rainbow candy, and lollipops are here. I like rainbow candies. In my own candy shop, sweet and sour fruit candy, many colored rainbow candy. Everybody try some, please.
Hey guys, what do you want?
Lollipops, please.
Fruit candy, please. Rainbow candy, please.
Here you are. Please come again.
Kiki, Mew Mew, I'm back.
Mr. Mole!
Many of our friends came and bought our candies.
Thank you for your help today.
Today, Kiki and Mew Mew helped Mr. Mole. Let's give them medals.